Hello friends, today we are making scalloped baked potatoes. Out of all of my recipes, this one is my absolute favorite. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. So we're going to start off with 3 medium-sized potatoes. Take a fork and just puncture the potatoes. You want to prick potatoes with a fork before baking to shorten the baking time and to keep them from bursting. So now we're just going to wrap it up. And put them in the oven to allow for it to bake evenly. Okay, so I lost some footage, but here I have about a pound of scallops that's cooking in about 4 tablespoons of butter. So now we're going to season the scallops. This is salt-free table blend seasoning. I use this in the place of salt. We're going to add a little bit of chili pepper. And some Cajun seasoning. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. You want to cook it for about 5 minutes on each side. Scallops doesn't take very long to cook at all. Keep in mind I have the skillet on medium heat. So while that's cooking, we're going to add the turkey sausage. The flavor of the turkey sausage is mild and savory with just a hint of sweetness and spice. Let that cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to turn that over. Looks like it's about ready. So the scallop and turkey sausage looks about done. Go ahead and transfer it over here to this plate so that we can prepare for our sauce. Then go ahead and put it on a plate with a paper towel to absorb the grease. So now what we want to do is deglaze the skillet. I'm going to pour a little bit of vegetable stock in the pan to help release that goodness at the bottom of the pan. So now we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter. Don't be alarmed by the color. All it is that goodness that was at the bottom of the pan. About 4 cloves of garlic. I've already grated it up. This is about a cup of heavy cream. So you want to continue to whisk your sauce so it doesn't burn. One tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. And that's going to thicken it up. We're going to sprinkle some powdered mustard. And some parsley, just to give it a little color and a nice flavor. And just to add a little bit of spice, red pepper. I gotta have my greens. So we're gonna add some spinach, some frozen spinach. Saute the spinach until wilted. This takes just a couple of minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and the spinach is done. So now we're going to add the scallops and turkey sausage back to the mix. So now our seafood sauce is ready. It's been a little over an hour and the potato is piping hot and it's ready. Let's go ahead and cut into it. So at this point, we're going to add some cheddar cheese. This is going to be so cheesy and delicious. And who doesn't love more cheese? So yeah, add a little bit more if you like. We're going to add our seafood sauce. Let's do a taste test. Some potato, some scallops, spinach, and sausage. Oh my goodness, this is marvelous. The flavors are all over the place. Everything pairs so well together. When I tell you this is amazing, guys, you gotta try it.